Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, as we all know, Casper Nyovest has been trending. Okay, he has been trending since since the baby mama posted on Instagram saying that she was just celebrating life, she was celebrating her birthday, but then she shared that she is grateful because she has been through the most, with finding out that the child has cancer at 8 months, and then while you are still focusing on that, you find out that your baby daddy is cheating on you, and then later marrying that person that he is cheating with. So Casper Nyovest has been trending. Some people are on his side and some are just not taking his side. And guys, social media is just, guys, so toxic, but yes, he has been trending. And then now there has been a post. There's this picture that I saw on Facebook of Unak Music and Casper Nyovest. As we all remember, guys, Unak Music and Casper Nyovest were on a boxing match. You know those boxing matches that celebrities like to do. There was the one with Big Zulu, I think, with some other celebrity. I'm not sure if it's Duncan, but celebrities like doing those boxing match, So Kesana Casper Nyovest was also in that boxing match, but it's not recent, guys. But he was on that boxing match with Unak Music, and then there was a picture, circulating on Facebook. Now people are saying that these two were just, this fight was a battle between two deadbeats. And I'm just so confused because Casper Nyovest might have cheated, guys, but there's nothing that says that he is a deadbeat. Even with the baby mama, the mother of the child, not the baby mama, guys. Hey. Even with the mother of the child, Utobeka, she never mentioned anywhere that Casper Nyovest was a deadbeat. He was not supporting the child. He was not there for the child, She just said that she found out that the person was cheating. So now comparing Casper Nyovest with Nak Music is just not making sense at all, because Nak Music has been trending recently that he is a deadbeat father. There was a post on Twitter that said, if you see this guy, please just remind him that he has kids that he needs to support. Now, Casper Nyovest has never trended for being a deadbeat, People don't understand that you can be a bad boyfriend but be a good father. There's a difference there. I'm not taking his side on what he did to the mother of his child, especially while the child was sick. It was a stressful time for them. So I am not, for that one, he was just wrong. And he also did a video apologizing. But to say he is a deadbeat, people are just going too far with this now. They are just going too far, because Casper has been proud of being a dad from day one, and then people are just now overlooking all of that, just focusing on one thing. Hey,